Welcome to Buena Vida. We're glad you're here to pursue your best life with the resources we have for you. To access the portal, you can use the website at buenavidaers.com or the app Wellness at Your Side. If you use the app, you'll be asked for a connection code. Type in Buena Vida, all lowercase letters with no spaces, and you're in. Now, click Create Account and let's get started. For the registration ID, we are combining a few things. Start with the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Then, no space, type in your first name as it appears on your Blue Cross Blue Shield ID card with the first letter capitalized. No space after your first name, and now type in your date of birth with a 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and a 4-digit year. No spaces or dashes or slashes here, just the numbers. So overall, your registration ID should be 4 numbers, then your first name with a capital first letter, then your 8-digit date of birth with no spaces anywhere in the ID, just like this example. Now, select your type of work and employee type from the drop-down menus. Indicate whether you're a supervisor and create your username with 6 or more letters or numbers, no spaces or special characters. Create your password and be sure it meets the safety requirements with this green bar. Retype your password, type in your birthday, and then type in the email you would like to receive updates at. Don't worry, we won't email you very often. Retype that email address and check the agree box for the terms and conditions. Now click go and you're registered. If you get an error message, it will tell you which part to go back and correct. Then you might need to retype or check some boxes again before you click go. If you're getting stuck here for your registration ID and the format is correct, you may be a new employee and your benefits haven't kicked in yet, or there may be an error in your employee information. In this case, you may want to contact your HR department to double check that this information is correct. If you're having any other issues, you can contact our customer service via this phone number and we will get you on your way to wellness.